Okay, this has happened a couple of times already where most of the electricity goes off on all the buildings. Street lights still stay on, but when the lights go off, everyone starts singing happy birthday. It's kind of funny, but I sure am glad I got this camera. It sure looks nice in the dark. It's kind of dark and it's picking up really good. Okay, I gotta cross the street. I thought I'd get a shave for the new year. I wasn't expecting this. No, what I'm doing is getting a traditional Khmer tattoo. It's called a sakyan. Probably messed that name up. But this guy here, he's given a blessing to the tattoo. It's just not a piece of art. It is. This particular one is a protection spell, protecting me against for traveling and journey. And there's a difference between traveling and journey, but I won't get into metaphysics on that. It's done with a long piece of bamboo and there's a real sharp point. It never scabs up or anything. It's absolutely awesome. It's about 2,000 years old. It's very similar to what the monks do in Thailand. But if you're interested in tattoos and stuff, it's a very, very interesting read on Google or wherever you want to check out the information. And actually, they gave this to me for free. However, I did donate to because they don't charge. They can't. They're kind of like monks, but they will take donations. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, now during the daytime, it's a little bit not as hectic, but the kids usually come out and. They're notorious. Anybody that walks by is a target for the little kids, grandmas, grandpas. It don't matter. But the older kids and the teenagers and most of the adults, they'll leave you alone. Kind of like this guy who's just farting around, just having fun. He wasn't going to shoot me. What you got to worry about is the residual fallout, the friendly fire, and splashbacks and all that. So don't ever stand behind a pretty girl. Okay, this looks like a dangerous corner. Yeah, there's a dangerous corner, all right. Just cross the street, it's easy. Aha, just cross. Okay. It's just not all water and fun. It's also some traditional stuff. Like those guys in teal, when they win a couple of heats here, then they will go down to Phnom Penh and get into the nationals, fly down there or whatever. And this guy, I think he already flew somewhere, and I think he's still a little bit high from the flight. But no, it's very interesting stuff. A lot of chestnuts roasting on an open fire. I wonder where Jack Frost is nipping at my nose. There he is, in that candy. I'm really mad that I didn't get one of those because it's like super frozen. And this gal here, she was selling iced coffee from the boat. And this gal was selling fresh coffee, hot coffee, and I smelt that when they started taking that turn. You can see they're taking a turn there from a long ways off. And they had a nice stage there, and they had some traditional Khmer dancing. I didn't see any Apsari dancing, and I wished I could, but they were pretty good. It was nice. And this little tyke here, he didn't care about anything. He's oblivious to everything except what he was eating. And they had entertainment going on, traditional Khmer entertainment. Here's a younger band just rock and roll, and not rock and roll, but you know what I mean. And a bunch of people dancing and having fun. Here you generally don't get wet because they're selling wares and stuff. Oh yeah. They were getting ready for the nighttime. Just cross the street. Here's how you do it. They just find an opening, like this opening here is right after that motorcycle. Yeah, okay, there's an opening, and the only thing that's coming is this truck barreling down towards me. These juvenile delinquents. I was on the other side of the street, and I was passing them. They were going to squirt me, and I was kind of like, no, please don't. They said, okay, no problem. And I just got past that one girl. She was at the end. She's going to wave here in just a second. And I looked at her. I pulled my mask down, and I stuck my tongue out, and they all started chasing me. They chased me for about a block. And I was so mad, not because I got wet, because I didn't have my camera out. If you don't get wet, you're going to get powdered. Smells good. I got wet here by that girl in that long dress. It's a brawl! I'm never going to get past here without getting wet. It's gone wild. I think I need to get over to that street, and then I'm going to walk a little bit out of the crowd, maybe, I hope, and get a tuk-tuk. I don't want to sit in a tuk-tuk in this crowd. I will be drenched by the time I get where I'm going. Yeah. Here we go. I don't know where all their weaponry is at, but they're just waiting for their boyfriends to come by. Nobody's safe. You see that? I want to repeat this. Nobody's safe. Not even a car is safe. I thought I was safe, and I don't know what this guy was doing, but he just gave me a peace sign. Cool. I'm safe. You know, dads are going, yeah, hey, I'll volunteer to drive the pickup truck through the streets. Shit, they're getting a free car wash. It's a sight to behold. I'm telling you, I'm having a great time. Trouble. They're chasing after a bunch of girls. Lots of selfies here. But hey, thanks a lot, you guys, for. I hope you liked my my video on the Khmer New Year. And if you're still here, I know you're one of my true diehard fans, and I really appreciate that for you guys watching all my videos. So, you guys take it easy and have a great day, and thank you very much.